Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Feast of Sacrifice and its significance in Islam. Qurbani, sacrifice. Qurbani, also known as Udiyah, is an integral practice in Islam, celebrated during the festival of Eid al-Adha. It involves the ritual sacrifice of an animal and commemorates the unwavering faith and obedience of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to Allah. This act is steeped in history, holds profound importance, and embodies a deep philosophical meaning for Muslims around the world. What is Qurbani or sacrifice on Eid al-Adha in Islam? Qurbani traces its origins to the story of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam as narrated in the Quran. Ibrahim was commanded by Allah in a dream to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail alayhi salam. Demonstrating absolute submission to Allah's will, both father and son prepared to carry out the command. However, Allah intervened and provided a ram to be sacrificed instead. This event is commemorated by Muslims each year during Eid al-Adha. The Holy Quran narrates this event in Surah Safat, ayat 102 to 110. Translation. And when he reached with him the age of exertion, he said, "O my son, indeed, I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you. So see what you think." He said, "O my father, do as you are commanded. You will find me, if Allah wills, of the steadfast." And when they had both submitted, and he put him down upon his forehead, we called to him, "O Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the vision. Indeed, we thus reward the doers of good. Indeed, this was the clear trial. And we ransomed him with a great sacrifice, and we left for him favorable mention among later generations. Peace upon Ibrahim. Indeed, we thus reward the doers of good." The act of Qurbani symbolizes submission to Allah, willingness to give up what one holds dear, and the spirit of sharing with those in need. It is performed on the 10th, 11th, and 12th days of Dhul Hajj, the last month of the Islamic lunar calendar, following the completion of Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to Makkah. Why is Qurbani important? Qurbani holds significant religious and social importance in Islam. It is not merely an act of slaughter, but a profound form of worship and a means of seeking closeness to Allah. The blood and flesh of our sacrificial animals does not reach Allah, but what reaches Him is our unhesitating submission to His command. Allah says in Surah Hajj, ayat 37, "It is not their meat nor their blood that reaches Allah. It is your piety that reaches Him." Religious significance. The practice of Qurbani is wajib, that means compulsory for those who can afford it. It is a demonstration of gratitude to Allah for His blessings and a reaffirmation of a Muslim's commitment to follow the teachings of Islam. Jazakallah. Narrated by Sabeen Abbas. If you like the video, then share it, comment it, and subscribe the channel. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.